Press the Control button and draw a circle using the ellipse tool. Copy the circle and copy it 2 to 3 times. After making the circles, combine some of them together so that they can be filled with color. Go to this option to trace the axe. CorelDRAW traces such images very well. Ungroup the axe after tracing, and take it to the top of the circles. And fill in the colors so that your logo starts to look beautiful. Outline the axe so that it can be clearly seen. Enter the desired name using the text tool. Select the words and the circle together, and click Fit Text to Path. This will allow you to set the words in a circle. This will be the beauty symbol of the logo. Hope you enjoyed this video. And you must have learned something from this video. If you are learning graphic design, then look for a logo like this. Practicing can improve your graphic design. Will definitely be comments on this video, so that we can know how much you benefited from this video. Thanks.